Yep.
Okay. Okay, starting to descend.
Okay, down to 160. I got the ground still. Definitely going to matter if we're, where the scattered clouds are.
All right.
Well, I think they might be below the bottom. Honestly, when we get down there.
I'm going to descend really slow since we get lots of time, no sense to rush it down there. Phoenix on the windows helping.
Yep. So there's some clouds below us. I can see the ground very well, including off the nose. I believe I have the airfield environment in sight.
Okay. And we're still pretty far away, so.
4 miles. So we're going to fly through a cloud before we get there.
Okay. Should count as my instrument check.
Okay.
Wow, 57 knots of ground speed, that's crazy. Wonder it's taking forever to get the frickin' fix. Of course, I'm used to flying 150 knots, 135 knots too.
Okay, we're about to go through a cloud.
Okay. Still got 2 miles to go to the missed approach point, so.
Still have the ground straight down.
Roger that. I have to go.
There we go.
There's
the airfield.
Approach, Lance 356 Delta Papa is field in sight, canceling IFR.
6 Delta Papa IFR, cancellation received, squawk with far, frequency change for review, go sir.
Thank you, sir. Good one.
Southwest 1557, Alpha departure, radar contact, climb mates.
Boy, that was a approach into Canada, remember? Yeah, we're 4,000. We think we can see it, and then boom, right below the clouds.
Right.
Jamestown approach, line 356 Delta Papa is short final, runway 13, full stop, Jamestown. Okay, get that. That. Keep my speed up around 90 for 95.
I don't see any VASIs. Maybe you need to click them if you want them.
Look at that. Oh, runway lights. It's got the, I can't remember what they're called, but it's a thing on the left there.
Okay, we only have 3,000 feet here.
Roger.
Okay.
One way to put it down.
That's wet. You didn't want any hydroplaning.
Roger that.
Nicely done.
That was a lot of freaking work, dude.